Good morning and mabuhay everyone. So today we're going to tackle about the one country in Europe, the Netherlands. So I'll show you the glimpse of Netherlands.
Oh, doon naman sila, silingan. Mo na ilang ko na to, national item. Item ga, anthem day. La flamingo! Turkey, flamingo, Turkey. Ay, guess okay na na. Uy, lamihan na magpuyo, uy. Mo dyan ang dream country. Netherlands o Switzerland. Wow, Amsterdam. Na, tulips oh. Oh, tulip season naman ron. Ah, 30 minutes mo putag video. Ah, kuan man to. Kasong ni Sophia the first. Wow! Hot air balloon.
Now let's proceed to the Netherlands. So, it is the land of windmills and bicycles. Kaya nga naman, yes, Rita. Ang angkoy, sila. Kanya more on bicycle, muna sila natin sila.
Transportation.
Sila mag-bloom galing na sila o sila ate nga mag-bike. First,
Nice news sa good ilang bicycle kay Terminate Rebel at least na yes, one ko sila o bicycle and practice for the avoid the environment. Some countries. So Netherlands means lowlands because of large part of the country is below sea level and protected by dikes and water systems. So kanang low country sila din siya sa kanang mga dagko nga mga dam or mga butanan. Then ang part sa low countries kay Belgium,
Kana.
Bangladesh, parts of So, Netherlands is located in Western Europe, surrounded by Germany and Belgium, and is also beside the North Sea, which help it become a strong trade and transportation. So, Dutch people developed advanced systems like dikes, as what I've said, to manage water. This shows how innovations and skill they are in solving environmental kanang fact about sa kuan is isa ka artist. Nagka sila actually, pero more nakailangan ni katong paint system exactly.
Si Kuan,
Si Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci. Ay,
Starry Night.
kinsa?
Wow.
Pero dili si
Bidjuhan ka na ron.
So, their political part is Damo. So, lahi lahat ang tao lahi ko din lahat mga political. So, next, the history and the flag. So, independence. The most large Dutch state traces independence to 1581. So, the republic grows after struggles with Spanish rule. And 17th century booming trade, science, art, and navigation, Amsterdam flourished as global trading hub. So making it ideal for like mga spices na mga trading. So not only sila guys, rich country and Europe, one other country. So now we proceed to their flag. So the flag, horizontal tricolor, red, white, and so actually, kanang red guys, kanang ang red is not red, it's orange. If we change siya over time, then muna na lang kuan dami red. But they practice orange during their holidays. Mag-wear sila orange to give praise to the orange. Yeah. Yeah, that big volume of orange. So orange is so next, the kings countries. So they have the very flat terrain, extensive drives, boulders, and drained land. So they also have major rivers, the Rhine, Meos, and mild marines. They also have the mild marine climate, which means yeah, ang mild marine means the temperature is mild summer and cool winter with frequent rainfall throughout the year. So mild maritime climate. Next. Next we have their culture and religion. So bicycle, world capital of bicycle capital. Yeah, so bicycles, everyday transport for millions, safe bike lanes, parking and drive friendly culture. Kaya mahal ko yung transportation buses. So they prefer simple bike lang. Kaya for exercise and of course for their environment. So we also have tulips and horticulture. So one of the main tulip is the Philippines organized tulips, very well. Then of course windmills, the source of energy. Wow. Now what sort of kaya naman sila ang mga water systems. May lowlands, may sila also. But we need to do that. So they also have Latina cheese and culture. Naggamit sila mga cheese din. Next, their famous food. So, Dutch people prefer these people, so they do not use that. So they prefer bread. So, like struffle, so we're actually pancake in the Philippines. Yeah. Glued together with a layer of sweet caramel syrup. So, more pancake. Then we have bitter wallet. Deep fried crispy meatballs filled with a savory meat. Fresh out, bula-bula sa Philippines. Then the puffered beef chest. Ay mo siya mini pancake na may sibol sa Parnas and hotdog, mashed potatoes. So they also have famous festivals. So as I mentioned, orange celebrates orange day. Then King's Day, Colonics Dag Libro Malasapan. A massive national holiday celebrating the King's birthday. Sana all birthdays. So next is Sinterklaas or Santa Claus. Pero lahat ng declare mo, Sinterklaas kayo kinatala siya. So the traditional Dutch winter holiday. So Sinterklaas, portrait. Muna lang festival during Christmas. Next, their traditional clothing. So we have long hat, or the famous wooden shoes originally designed to be farmers and workers. Steep, dry, and dry below sea. So one is sila guys ng workshop. O pinagkakoy ng anak-anak jar, garden naman Di ko tayo na yung malabayan sila sa
Kung balatan talaga ng
the best. Ano na natin So next we have the puffer, the white pointed lace caps traditionally worn by women. Kanada sa work headdress. So that's puffer. Then we have golden down dress. Kinang word palay pero sa classic dress.
Murag pang may
Ganda yung tradition dito today. Very
Mag-make sa kanang ko ang pag-video ko.
So, Pilipinas na, say no. That's there. So, may lang guys. So, population, about 17 million people. Then, their education and currency, education levels, reputation for friendliness and environment. So, their religion is historically Christian, pero free na sila dahil majority sa Netherlands. That's right. Religion. They're free. Respected of Government is institutional monarchy that pluralized democracy. So, meaning, naay king pero wala yung So, dira mo na si King Government Alexander. Yeah, you should hear that. So, next, their economy and tourism. The Portland is good. Then the Netherlands has a robust, open economy driven by trade, logistics, and agriculture, high-tech manufacturing and services. So world-class port in Rotterdam, trading center. So what is Rotterdam, guys? Clarify. Where's the Cebu? Next, their tourist spot. First, Amsterdam, their capital. So, canals to see you. Vibrant neighborhoods expect crowds in peak season. So, maghanap siya kung bawang peak season. So, very nice. So, next, is the Tulip Park. So prime time for both field photos and horticulture exhibits. So very organize kayo ng tulips mo. Yes.
Nice na. Tama talaga.
Don't mapag-relax guys. Of course, now sila yung chance. If you wanna have some wakey, pero naturally, you can go here. Preserve windmills and craft offering a snapshot of historical rural life. So nice. Ano ba yung Game Park? Venice of the North. Peaceful canals, bold lonely streets, ideal for the landscape. Where siya? Ito kita movie sa The Greats. Hobbit. Pero siya, Hobbit na tao. Pero kung travel naman, sakay mo. Or siya, Hobbit na tao. Then, information. So, there is no direct international flight from Bohol to Ulit. So,